Are you looking for the best entry-level bow rider? Well, this is the Sea Ray 21 SPX. The 21 SPX offers an amazing amount of cockpit space, seating space, and overall entertainment. At the helm here, you have a captain's chair on a swivel, so you can turn around, hang out with everybody in the party, and then just turn it and get moving on the water. You have a large L-shaped seating area. This is also modular here, so when you are hanging out, you can face backwards facing everybody else, but you can also make it into that co-pilot seat. Under each of these seats, there is dedicated storage. Storage here. Large storage here. This is self-draining, so you can fill it with ice and it will drain right overboard. Here you have dedicated space for a cooler. And then you have this massive storage compartment. Because of the outboard, it offers plenty of storage. This Sea Ray 21 SPX is powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower outboard. And you can see with the starboard entrance way, it leaves space for this beautiful large sun pad in the aft section here. You also do have a bimini, so you'll have plenty of shade. It is also equipped with electronic throttle. This boat also does have the active trim feature. The active trim feature makes it so that you don't have to play around with the trim angle of the outboard. It does everything automatically so that you're getting the best efficiency and performance while driving. This allows you to focus more on the water and safety rather than trimming out the outboard to the perfect level. You also have a Simrad 7-inch NSX. Awesome thing about this Simrad is that it's also very automated and very user-friendly. Press where you want to go on the map and it will build the route for you. This boat is also equipped with a Fusion stereo, all your Bluetooth and Sirius XM needs. And I also love where they positioned a USB outlet right here on the captain's side. On the port side console, you have a nice cubby here, a glove box, with a USB outlet as well. This is lockable, so if you do go dock and dine somewhere, you can leave your valuables in the glove box, lock it, so it's nice and safe while you're away. Moving forward to the bow space, you have ample room with these two loungers in front of each console. And the comfort package gives you all of the extra padding up to the gunnels, so you're not bruising the sides. Thank you for touring the Sea Ray 21 SPX with me. Please reach out with any questions.